CHRISTIE'S is an international real estate firm which specializes in celebrity properties. Has placed on the market a former vacation home of the wife and children of reggae legend Bob Marley. The Bob Marley Resort, located in Cable Beach, Nassau and Paradise Island in the Bahamas, is a beachside property of 17 suites. The asking price is $9.5 million US. Chrissy describes the property as an amazing opportunity located in the heart of New Cable Beach and within walking distance of the luxurious BahaMar Hotel and Casino. The property sits directly on a stunning white powdery sand beach with astounding views of the majestic blue surrounding waters, Christie added. The realtor said the property is an investor's dream, adding that it is turnkey and ready for operation. The restaurant is said to include 17 luxurious guest suites, a full-service spa, boutique gourmet restaurant, commercial office and retail space. A 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath beachfront house can be transformed to additional room if necessary, the seller said.